All right, there we go. Locksmith Eddy does it again. Right here at the Ben Autograph Hotel. Things are taking place. Things are cultivating right now. And as we just finished up that lock job, things are happening. They're happy. Everybody's happy. There's dancing in the streets right now. Mr. Sunshine. Woo! There it is. All right, let's get ourselves together here. Kathy Gray, Isabetta's, Snackaroos going on over there. We got it all done. The Ben Autograph Hotel, the valets, and everybody's happy. That's how we do it. Look at that beautiful. It's getting ready to rain. We're going to have some rain coming in here right now. Got a lot of people out here today, and Locksmith Eddy's right here in the middle of all of it. I'm in the middle of all of it, right down here. Look at this guy. Look at this. Oh boy. And you know, it's a little hard for me right now. It's a little hard for Mr. Sunshine easing on in. That's right. Another day, then we're going to head on home and relax. It's been a long day for yours truly. Got a bank job done this morning. Got the Ben Autograph Hotel done this afternoon. As we're easing on in. That's right. We're going to ease on in. Woo. Look at this guy driving 5 miles an hour. Yeah, I got a little sun today, that's for sure. I hope you're having a good day. I'll text you when I get home. Woo!